Hello everyone, keep a bubble wrap sheet like this and then color it and print it on the white sheet. Now take the leaves, color it and make the flowers on the sides. Make the stems and leaves using the brush, make the grasses and it's ready. Next, take a paper and draw the carrot on it. Now draw the lines and open the paper. Now in the between, we will make a cute bunny popping out of the carrot like this. Make its eyes, mouth and the ears. Now we will color it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, close a paper and draw a circle like this and draw the patterns inside it. After that, we will open the paper and then make a broken egg and a dinosaur or a cute bird popping out of it like this and then color it as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, close the paper and then make a chili over it like this. Draw the eyes of the chili and a big mouth. Now open it and then complete the lines. Now make a fire in the between, color it and it's ready. Next, using a round object, we will make a circle on the white sheet. So here we are making an apple. Now open the apple like this and make a rotten apple from the between and a caterpillar on the sides. Make the circles, now color it and it's ready. Next, draw a box like this and draw the lines on it. Now after completing it, we will make a gift box. Open it and then make a parcel or a cute toy in the between. Now color it if you want and your toy is ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to decorate it as per your choice and it's done. For more such interesting videos, follow our page. Next, draw the tree branches like this. Now using different designs, we will make the tree over it. So here, by using spiral lines, we will make a green tree. Now using yellow color, we will draw the bushy trees like this. Now on the fourth one, draw the dots using green pen and it's ready. Next, draw the lines on the white sheet like this. So here we are making a rose. Now draw the lines around it, make the stems and leaves. Draw the zigzag lines to make the thorn stem like this. Now color it if you want and it's ready. Next, take a green color paper and cut it out like this. Now open it and draw the outline of it in a white sheet. Now draw the lines inside it. Now draw its eyes, mouth and its hands. Draw its legs. Make few more as such around it and then decorate the background. Color it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page. Next, we will draw the house on a white sheet like this. Draw the doors and windows of the house. Now we will draw a chimney on the top of the house, make a path and then color it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take 3 pens together and draw the spiral lines like this to make a tree. Now draw its branches using brown color and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.